In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve past paper MCQs Pakistan Publishers Commission 2020 MCQs, that is for a function f if f of xx equal to f of xy equal to f of yy equal to 0. The point xy will be multiple point of order. So solution, that is theorem for a function f if f of xx is equal to f of xy is equal to f of yy is equal to 0. The point xy will be maximum multiple point of order higher than the second. So option D is correct. So higher than the 2, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.